Europe's mission is to close the opportunity divide. We believe that there is a group of young people who have the skills, the will, and the ability, but they lack access to mainstream jobs. And so Europe really works to create a bridge between the companies that have the opportunities and the young people that are looking for them.
The way the program is structured is that we run 2 cycles a year, and the students will be admitted to the program. It's a competitive application process. Once admitted, they go through 6 months of what we call our learning and development phase, which is a combination of technical training and behavior modeling and modification. Once they pass those 6 months, then they earn a corporate internship, and that's where we partner with corporations like New Signature to host them in a full-time role where they can apply what they learned in the classroom. So New Signature hosts our interns in their IT services group. The interns actually work and help them support their clients. They learn technical skills. They literally create time at New Signature for them to, I think it's 2 hours a week where they literally study Microsoft products and Microsoft services where they can actually become technical experts in that, and then have the mentorship of the New Signature staff to help them right on site. Not to mention, New Signature has come to us and volunteered on site to do our Tech Thursdays, so they've supplemented our curriculum. They've said, you know what, you aren't going deep enough on some of these Microsoft pieces. You need to go deeper, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to come and we're going to use our technical staff to do that.
So our partnership with New Signature is what we'd ideally like to see with all of our internship partners. When we look at partners, we really try to come up with a full-scale engagement model. So organizations that are looking at Europe for talent pipeline, where their employees have an opportunity to get involved and volunteer with the organization. And then ultimately our organization is really here to make sure that once our young people complete the program that they have careers waiting for them on the other side. And New Signature has been a really great organization in terms of hiring our alumni who are now full-time New Signature employees.
So the key in any consulting business is talent. It's our asset. It's the only asset that we have. And so we're constantly looking for great talent in the IT space. And so one of the things that excites us about what Year Up is doing is that they're preparing professionals for the IT industry. And so it's a great opportunity for us to take folks who have learned some of the basics and bring them into New Signature and really teach them about the Microsoft stack and really have them learn the next level of their IT skills, build on what Year Up has taught them. And in their internship with us for 6 months, they continue to learn and learn actually more about Microsoft and how the Microsoft technologies are affecting the business world.
Awesome.
The partnership between New Signature and Year Up is really Year Up is really just a part of New Signature now. We every semester we have interns from Year Up that are a part of the New Signature staff, and so in the 18 months that I've been with New Signature, there's always been a Year Up intern here with us, if not sometimes as many as 3. And also we have several alumni from the Year Up program who are now permanent employees of New Signature. And they are still actively involved in giving back to Year Up, and so there's just a constant kind of buzz about what's going on at Year Up. We're very connected with them and very active in what's going on with their campus.
Currently I'm the events and marketing coordinator. When I first started, I was the events coordinator only, and then I switched to office manager and events coordinator. So I feel that Europe has educated young adults today for the workforce. You know, they prepared us for the real world now. Everything is so zoned in on technology and everything like that. So when I came into Europe, I started learning more about Microsoft. And, I just learned the software side, and then I started learning about more of their products that are being used once I stepped into New Signature. And now that I do the events here, I do mostly Microsoft events, That's what we hone in on, basically. And now I'm seeing the behind the scenes of all that they do, like Office 365, SharePoint, all the stuff that goes on, inside of all the products that they sell, basically. And it's it's became a much bigger picture now, and it's so interesting that they're this tech savvy, basically.
So when I think about the future of Europe in the National Capital Region, we would love to grow and serve more young people in this region. There are about 36,000 young people who are impacted by the opportunity divide in this region, who are disconnected from those opportunities. And having great partners like New Signature really allows us to serve those young people well. One of the great things about the partnership is not only that you are using our students and interns within your organization, but you're also making introductions to other organizations. And through the connection that both New Signature and Europe have with Microsoft's mission philanthropically to close the opportunity divide, it's just a natural connection that all of the organizations would come together. And so we're just really excited about that, and knowing if we have partners like New Signature in this region, it'll only help us to push our mission forward.